Hi, I'm Dr. Lloyd Fisher, and I'm a pediatrician at the May Street office of Reliant Medical Group. And today I would like to talk with you about the importance of immunizations. Immunizations for children has likely been the most important medical intervention in history. Prior to the introduction of immunizations, children frequently became quite ill and even died from what we now term vaccine-preventable illnesses. There are currently 16 different diseases that the CDC recommends that we protect young children and infants against with vaccines. It's important to begin the immunization schedule early in life, and in fact the first vaccine is recommended to be given within the first 1 to 2 days after a child is born. And the reason for this is the time when children are most susceptible to becoming very ill from these conditions. And any delay in immunizing puts that child at risk for a longer period of time. Prior to a vaccine being approved for administration and eventually recommended as part of the routine schedule, it has to go through a series of really rigorous testing and research to ensure that it's both safe and effective. And once that happens, it is only then that we start giving it routinely to all young children. Unfortunately, over the last few years, there has been some misinformation and misinterpretation of some information regarding vaccines that has caused some concerns and anxiety among some parents. A lot of this information is found on very non-scientific websites that are on the internet, and this has caused some parents to delay giving their children immunizations or even refusing to have their children receive any immunizations. We are now seeing an increase in very severe illnesses such as measles, mumps, whooping cough, and other diseases that in the past we really haven't seen much of because of immunizations. It is really important to remember that these vaccines are safe, they're effective, and they're fully tested, and any delay in giving your child any of the recommended vaccines can cause them to be quite sick. If you do have any concerns about vaccines, feel free to discuss them with your child's healthcare provider, and they'd be happy to answer any questions and refer you to good resources that you can turn to for additional information.